Welcome to Uncle Brent's Shed. This episode we go and pick up the car I was supposed to pick up last time. There she is. Little Paddy's going through the old stock. Got a little bit more rust in it than I thought, but still pretty cool. Come on. Got any good jokes?
Hey?
Got any good jokes?
No, not at the moment. Nah. Down on them a bit.
So you can just fucking tell us a joke on camera. That's got to be not too fucking dirty, you know what I mean?
Oh, well, yeah, you fucking fuck things up a bit. I've got a few projects just there I've got to get into too. Trailer, just a bike trailer. Another one will be a big flat top, this one here.
Yeah.
I'll leave him about, he'll be about 6 metres long.
Yeah.
This is a fucking tool, I like this cunt. Better than my winding cunt over there.
We'll just try it.
Yeah, try it. You'll be on there, you'll be alright. Ben, come out the way.
Got
Case
to
she
give her a bit of that.
In case she starts. Yeah.
That door.
There you go. He's in it, he's in it.
He loves it, eh?
You go, you. You run out of gas, mate.
Yeah.
As we thought.
Yeah, that's what.
She's on though. Yeah. But she's got to come forward a bit more, yeah? Yeah.
Put your foot on the brake, Pat.
Yeah. Just nip the handbrake up.
Get out of the road.
Yeah, yeah, don't leave yourself in there. That's a bit vulnerable in the heck of it.
Oh, all right, Paddy.
There you go. Well,
You must have drove this thing sitting sideways. Have
Man,
you
he's-
looked at like the pedals
weight's
here?
gone on the hitch, you can see it. Fucking Ponds have been so proud of themselves. I could see green grass driving that. Hey, with a heap of stolen fish in the back.
Yeah. so we've got ourselves a J2 Morris van, not sure of the year. Got a little bit of homework on that. Don't know what stud pattern that is. I thought it might have been Ford, but it looks more HQ-ish. Could be wrong. Massive leaf springs in the front. Obviously no engine. Oh, door's a bit rotted out, eh? Here's what it is. Some sort of plight missing from here. Oh, got plenty of spare parts lying around in here. Nothing's probably any good. Speedo's nice and intact. Almost looks like a mini Moke one. Could be wrong. Had boosted brakes at some point. Right, also has this random side door. The bloke I picked it up from was pretty good, as in lubed all the door handles and hinges and whatnot. Yeah, he did clean some stuff out, but left a lot of stuff in there for me as well. Oh, more rust. There's going to be some treasures in here. New hammer handles. I don't know what that is. Something poisonous. Yeah, just random bits of tail lights and whatnot. What else did I see in here? There's a couple of photos somewhere. Oh, dang. There's the engine cover there, but there's no seats or anything in it. Oh, this is going to show you. These 4 little windows, this is the only broken window in the whole thing. They flip out, and it's only got that one side door in the left side. Bumper bars are in good nick, front and rear. Now, what does it say here? Old XC Falcon in some ditch somewhere. Looks like it's in minty condition. Well, this photo was probably taken 30 years ago. Photo of someone's bush. I like that one though. That's cool. Someone in his plane. He probably crashed and died. Money surmising. What do you got there? Vacuum gauge. Yeah, I'm gonna go through this for finding out the treasures. I'll share them with you guys. Alright, new extension cord. Oh, tape measure. Level. Oh, another level. Jeez, that's old school. Stabila. Oh, I can see a shifter up there. Probably a whole lot of things that are useless as well. I was going to say, oh, they're speakers, but they're not. I'd say they'd be air vents. What's that? It's like a block of slate. Off-cut of slate or something. Another hammer handle. Just what I need. Did notice with this back door, you can swap it from left to right. Hinges as well. Left to right. Yeah, it even has the catch relocation. So that's pretty cool. Even your little striker thing up there, you can swap them over. Pretty ingenious invention. Actually, I don't mind this old paint, eh? If I ever get it on the road, I'll be lightly sanding it and leaving it all crusty, you know. Obviously got to do some rust repairs. One thing I did notice was the front leaf springs are twice as heavy as the rear. I don't know what the purpose is there, but it obviously worked. Also has those shock absorbers that are, they got a lever on them, and I reckon they got like twin pistons in them. They probably did that to save room, as in to keep the floor flat inside. Plenty of tyre room there as well. Well, that's all I got to show you this week. That looks like a Mazda tail light. No idea what that was. I've got no idea how these windows wind up and down. It just has a door handle. It just has a door handle to open the door, but I don't know what that knob is. Which is a finger grip looking thing there. Maybe it just slides down on a, I don't know. I can see some springs in here. Maybe the windows just slide down by hand and stay with some sort of magical arrangement. And you can see those massive leaf springs in the front. Little I-beam axle. Don't think that's a Claxton horn. I think it's just a older school horn with a bit of a trumpet on it. A normal shockies in the front. I think the wheel's so far in from the guard so you can actually turn it without hooking on the, I was going to say fender, but wheel arch. Right, thanks for watching Uncle Brent's Shed. Yeah, obviously got another project that I don't need, but it was just pretty cool. Too cool to pass up. So who knows if I'll ever do anything with it. I'd like to, because it's pretty cool. It's sitting up pretty high at the moment. I did Google them and found one on YouTube that was dragging on the ground. It looks so cool. So we'll just see where this one leads us. But at this point, it's going to be yard art. Cheers.